So hello friends, welcome back to my new video. I am Shivam and you are watching the channel as you said. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can remove unused images on your WordPress website. So please watch this video till the end if you want to know how you can delete your unused images on your WordPress site. If you are new in this channel, so please make sure you subscribe this channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon for future updates. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So first of all, I'm going to open my WordPress site. So for this, I'm open a Chrome tab. So this is my WordPress site, technonetwork.co.in. So I'm going to tell you how you can remove unused images. So for this, you have to come on your WordPress site and just look left side. You will see the option plugins. Just click on it and just click on add new plugin. You have to install a one plugin and the plugin name is Media Hygiene. So this is the plugin you have to install. Just click on install. It will automatically install on your WordPress site. Just wait for a while. So the plugin has been installed. Just you have to look out in your left side. Here you will find the plugin Media Hygiene. Just click on dashboard. You have to just scroll and there is an option is scan. Just click on scan it. So it will automatically scan your website and it will find your unused images on your WordPress site. So just you have to wait for a while. So please wait. And now you will see the plugin has been scanned all the images. You will see unused 366 images on this website. So if you want to delete all these images and want to clean your space on your WordPress site, just you can select a bulk option. Then you can see here the option is delete. Just select delete and then apply. So you can simply delete your unused images on your WordPress site like this. Just click on delete, then apply, and then OK. Select, delete, then apply. So try this plugin and you can clean your space by removing these unused images. So if you like this video, so please like, share and comment below and hit the subscribe button as well for the latest video. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Let's see in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep learning.